Bonjour. Today we are doing lesson number 6 in Nouvelle Appreneur Français Part 3, which is for class 7th, and in some schools this book is used for class 8 as well. Okay, so the name of the chapter is Où se trouve no no Où se trouve le collège Jean Renoir is the name of the chapter. Okay, and now we are starting reading. Boulogne-Billancourt est une ville près de Paris, en France. Boulogne-Billancourt is a city situated near Paris in France. Okay, and c'est une ville pleine de vie avec de beaux bâtiments, de grands parcs, de bonnes écoles, collèges et universités. This is a city full of life with beautiful buildings, big parks, and good schools, colleges, and universities. It's not college is not college, it's middle school. So it's a city full of life with beautiful buildings, big parks, good schools, middle schools, and universities. Monsieur Lapierre, un nouveau professeur du collège Jean Renoir, arrive à la gare de Boulogne-Billancourt. Mr. Lapierre, a new teacher of the school Jean Renoir, arrived at the railway station of Boulogne-Billancourt. Il se présente devant le comptoir de l'Office du tourisme et à agent. He presents himself here, or he appears in front of the counter of the tourist office and agent. So comptoir is counter, office de tourism is tourism office, agent is agent. Monsieur Lapierre. Bonjour, monsieur. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Good morning, sir. Can you help me? Pouvoir, verb, can, aider, help. Can you help me? L'agent. Bonjour. Oui, bien sûr, je suis ravi de vous aider. Agent says, good morning. Yes, sure. I'm delighted to help you. Monsieur Lapierre, le collège Jean Renoir est-il loin de la gare? Is school Jean Renoir school, is it far from the railway station? Ah non. Marchez tout droit pendant 5 minutes et vous arrivez au carrefour. Go straight, marchez tout droit means straight for 5 minutes and you will arrive at the crossroad. À ce carrefour, tournez à droite. At this crossroad, turn right. Monsieur Lapierre, très bien. Je tourne à droite ensuite. Okay, good. I turn right and then. Vous voyez un parc sur votre gauche. You see a park. At your left, gauche means left. Passez devant le parc et continuez tout droit. Pass in front of the park and continue straight. Tout droit straight, continuer verb means continue. D'accord, ok, je passe devant le parc. I pass in front of the park and after that, après cela, after that, vous allez voir un grand bâtiment à votre droite. You will see a big building at your right. C'est le collège Jean Renoir. It's Jean Renoir School. Parfait. Merci beaucoup pour votre aide. Les indications sont claires. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Instructions are clear. Indication instructions. De rien, monsieur, je vous en prie. No problem, sir. Welcome. Okay, so dites vrai ou faux? Boulogne-Billancourt se trouve près de Paris. Is it near Paris? Vrai. Monsieur Lapierre est un ancien professeur du collège. He's an ancient teacher of college. Former teacher of college. No. He's a new teacher. Le collège est loin de la gare. Is it far from the railway station? No. Faux. La ville a de grands parcs. City has big parks. So vrai. Vrai. Second, fourth, third, fourth, vrai. Now the preposition. Two prepositions. You can see this the. Not car. The is a preposition. Okay. And then loin de is a preposition. Next is adjective. Two adjectives you have to find out. Okay. Adjective is beau, grand, and then bon is also an adjective. Adjectives are the word which describe a noun or a pronoun. Next, synonyme de très contente. Synonym of very happy. Ravi is the synonym of happy. Very happy. Okay. Okay. Next is contraire de loin de. Opposite of loin de is près de. Derrière, devant. Next is ces bâtiments sont très grands. These buildings are very big. Le train est à 16 heures. Je vais à la gare. The train is at 4 o'clock and I am going to the railway station. Gare. Nous nous promenons dans le parc. We take a walk in the park. Ces images sont belles et bonnes. These images are beautiful and good. Qui est Monsieur Lapierre? Lapierre, où va-t-il? Who is Mr. Lapierre and where does he go? He's okay, it's here. Un nouveau professeur du Collège Johanois. Okay. And the second part is where is he going? Il va Il va à Boulogne, Billancourt. Okay. And next is describe Boulogne, Billancourt. Describe the city of Boulogne, Billancourt. Here is it. This one. C'est une ville pleine de vie, avec de bons bâtiments, de grands parcs et de bonnes écoles, collèges et universités. Okay, so chapter reading is finished. Now go to the grammar part. Les prépositions et les adverbes de lieu. Prepositions. Contraire. Pour, for. Contre, against. Devant, in front of. Derrière, behind. Sur, on. Sous, under. Après, after. Avant, before. Près de, near. Loin de, far. Au-dessus de, above. Au-dessous de, below. Sans, without. Avec, with. À gauche, left. À droite, right. Okay, now other one. Entre, between. Chez, at someone's place. À, to, at. Dans, inside or in. De, of, from, about. Depuis, since. Where, around. Pendant, during. Au bout de, at the end of. Au loin, au coin de, at the corner of. Autour de, around. En face de, facing. À côté de, next to. Au centre de, in the center of. Au bord de, at the border of. This preposition is used for the water bodies. For example, au bord de la mer, au bord du rivière, etc. Au milieu de, in the middle of. Au face de, facing of. Au dehors de, outside of. Jusqu'à, until, par, by. Or through. Anjike, ashama. indicate a way. À gauche, left. À droite, at the right. Tout droit, straight. Au-dessous, below. Au-dessus, above. Au centre, center. Près de, near. Loin de, far. Au feu is traffic light. Au milieu de, in the middle of. Au face de, facing. Au bout de, next, at the end of. À côté de, next to. Jusque, until. Au carrefour. Carrefour is crossroad. Now we will learn YER ending because in this chapter there are YER endings. So we take the example of envoyer. Okay, for YER ending verbs for je, tu, il, el and il, el plural, we remove Y and put I. For nouveau, it will stay Y. So envoie, VOIE. Envoie for two, ENVOIES. ENVOIE. Nous, ENVOYONS. It's not I. Vous, ENVOYEZ. Il, ENVOIENT. Okay, now opposites. Dans l'avion, mon père n'est pas assis à gauche. In the plane, my father is not sitting at the right. At the left, he is sitting à droite, at right. Next is, il ne part pas sans les bagages. Il part avec les bagages. With the baggages. Les livres ne sont pas sous la table. Ils sont sur la table. On the table. Sous means under. Sur means on. Ma maison n'est pas loin de l'école. My house is not far from the school. Elle est près de l'école. It's close to the school. Son appartement n'est pas au-dessus de mon appartement. Il est au-dessous de. His apartment is not above my apartment. It's below my apartment. Okay, now you have to regarder la carte et compléter en utilisant les prépositions données. Église, church. Hôpital, hospital. La Poste, post office. La Gare is railway station. So in my village, the hospital is dash the. La Gare means the hospital is dash the railway station. So my hospital is derrière la gare, is behind the railway station, behind, okay? Hôpital est dash la rue de l'hôpital. Hospital is dash the rue de hôpital. Is the hospital, this is rue de hôpital, it's en face. Then next is la poste est dash l'église. Poste est devant l'église. Post office is in front of the church. Train is okay. So train is actually Damola Gar. Post and église sont à côté. So the third one, it would be à côté de la poste, à côté de l'église. Fourth one is le train est dash la gare, in front of the railway station. Hospital is dash the église, far from the église. Hospital and église, far from the, okay? Next is pour, pendant, sans, avec, depuis. Pour is for, pendant, during, sans, without, avec, with, depuis, since. Je suis à Paris pour une semaine. I am in Paris for a week. Il chante pendant le voyage. He sings during his trip. Il est furieux et il passe au moi. He is furious, he is angry, he leaves without me. Nous allons au cinéma avec nos amis. We are going to cinema with our friends. Depuis la naissance de sa fille, il est très content. Since the birth of his daughter, he is very happy. Okay. And now, conjugation. Envoyer means to send. Payer means to pay. Nettoyer means to clean. Voyager to travel. S'appeler to, call oneself. Jeter to throw. Balayer to sweep. Ranger to arrange or to tidy up. Acheter to buy. Essuyer means to wipe. Okay. Elle nettoie des pommes. They wash the apples. We have just done YER ending. Y becomes I. Nous nettoyons des poires. We wash the pears. Il range le salon. He tidies up the living room. Et nous rangeons la chambre. And we are tidying up the bedroom. Actually, it's GER. Ranger is GER ending. For GER ending for nous, we write EONS, not ONS. Okay. Tu envoies une lettre, you send a letter. Nous aussi, we too, nous envoyons une lettre, we are sending a letter. Achètes-tu les journaux? Do you buy newspapers? Yes, I buy newspapers. Acheter verb. It's normally are ending, only we put the accent on E here. And for tu, nous, il, elle, and il, elle plural. Est-ce que vous payez pour les chocolats? Do you pay for the chocolates? Oui, nous payons pour le chocolat. Yes, we pay for the chocolates. Vous vous appelez comment? What's your name? Ils s'appellent les Vanson. Their name is Vanson. Vous balayez la maison. You sweep the house. Tous les jours, every day. Elle balaye sa maison une fois par semaine. She sweeps her house once in a week. Nous voyageons aux États-Unis. We travel to United States. Il voyage en France. He travels to France. Elle essuie les tables. She wipes the tables. Vous essuyez les bancs. You wipe the benches. Nous jetons des déchets. We throw the garbage. Et ils jettent des déchets dans la poubelle. And they throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, so next question. Okay, next is aider Didou à retrouver la route. First is où est le café Martin, s'il vous plaît? So where is Café Martin? Café Martin is here. So how would he do? He will go straight and then turn right and then he will go to the Boulevard des Tranches and then go to Café Martin. So prenez la Avenue de la République. This is Avenue de la République. Marchez tout droit. Walk straight. Au carrefour, tournez à gauche. Okay? They are saying this one. This is crossroad. À carrefour, tournez la gauche. Le café Martin est là. Okay. Next is, excusez-moi, où est le stade? Excuse me, where is the stadium? So where is the stadium? Here is the stadium. Okay, so he'll go straight and then go to. So how would you indicate? Marchez tout droit. Walk straight. Traverser la carrefour. Crossroad. Cross the crossroad. This is the crossroad. Au bout de l'avenue de la République, at the end of the avenue de la République, you would trouver le stade à gauche. You will find the stadium at left. Okay. So you will cross this and go there, and stadium is here. Third one. Pardon, où est l'hôpital de la ville? Where is the hospital of the city hospital? Here is the city hospital. Okay. So, marchez tout droit, walk straight. Puis tournez à droite, prenez la rue de la Église. Take the rue de la Église. Au boulevard des Tranches, tournez à droite, turn right. Then take the rue de la Hôpital. Hôpital. Okay, l'hôpital est en face. The hospital is in front, is facing. Okay, so we are done with the chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends so that they can also get the benefit. And if these videos are helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.